Hello everyone, this is Vashini from Shakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Vatanjatram, Dandakkal. In this video, I am going to explain about language related issues under the subject Language Across the Curriculum. Part 5, Making Reading Writing Connections. Making reading writing connections. Educationalists emphasize the relationship between reading and writing in the acquisition of language. Kate Kinsella, professor of San Francisco State University, has summarized the relationship between reading and writing. They are to improve writing skill, why reading is helpful in a big way. Good writers are also good readers. They involve themselves in reading right from their childhood. Ways and means of enhancing reading writing connections. Teacher may give a particular prose passage to student for precise writing. Student may be asked to read a prose passage or poem and to write a critical view about it. Student may be asked to write a story in about a page narrating a particular incident. Student may be given training in writing a letter to a friend or writing an application for a job. As a holiday assignment, student may be asked to read a small novel and write a brief summary of it. Process of writing. Writing is putting one's thought in the script form. In this process, cognition and fine motor skill of the finger jointly act. At the edges goes, experience is the best guide. Continuous practice in writing improves in person's writing. This step involved in process of writing. Pre-writing or preparatory stage, actual writing or preparing draft, revising, editing and publishing the final draft. Pre-writing or preparatory stage. This stage refers to the stage of planning to write. Actual writing or preparing the draft. As planned, besides sequentially presenting information that explain various concepts, integrating the related ideas or concept and putting them together in the same paragraph, arranging the entire text in same paragraph. Revising. In this step, the written draft is reviewed and whenever necessary, adding new things or removing the inappropriate ones. Editing. Reading the revised draft once again carefully, correcting the wrong spelling and grammatical mistakes, ensuring that punctuation marks are put in the appropriate places. Publishing the final draft. At this final stage, the writing manuscript is shared with others. This can be undertaken in many ways. It includes sending the Xerox copy of the manuscript, sharing the manuscript through computer, email and publishing in a small booklet. So here is a flowchart for the process of writing. There are 5 stages like pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing and publishing. Pre-writing denotes choose a topic and plan it out like talk about it, drawing a picture, make a web, etc. Drafting, writing your first copy in your journal. Revising, rereading to make the story better. Editing, capitalization, usage, punctuation, spelling, etc. Publishing, creating the final copy, typing on computer, rewriting neatly. Roles of teacher in the writing process. Organization, helping students to write the ideas formed by them in a proper order. Stage of evaluating, structuring and editing. Organization. In this step, more important is given to be for the flow of ideas in the mind rather than start writing. The teacher may offer suggestion as to how those ideas could be further developed and expanded. Helping students to write the ideas formed by them in a proper order. Teacher help the students to pay attention to arranging sequentially the ideas they have been formed and express them clearly. Stage of evaluating, structuring and editing. At this stage, when students show their revised draft to the teacher and are about to prepare the final draft, a few errors therein still may need a relook. Analyzing children writing to understand their concept. As children grow, their cognitive skill as well as their vocabulary also grow and their language skill get improved. Organization, sentence structure, sentence sequence, language style and handwriting. Organization. Organization of text refers to the ideas being written. Conjunctly related ideas should have been integrated. Sentence structure. Syntax should be according to the rule of grammar. There should be logical connection between sentence. Sentence sequence. As a person writing reflect his thoughts and feelings. When sentences are formed continuously to write a paragraph, punctuation mark, question mark, exclamation mark and marks to indicate the direct speech between two persons. Language style. The style of language which uses simple word express the writer's thoughts and feelings in a proper way, not sagging at any place. It described as fluent style or flowing style. Handwriting. Only if handwriting is eligible, readers will enjoy reading without getting fatigued. Writing with a sense of purpose. Teachers should understand the purpose of the children in writing and guide them properly. In brief, writing should have purpose and goal. Only if it has a social goal, its impact will helping taking the society steadily but slow move towards the goal of achieving mastery in making impact on the society. Writing to learn and understand. Writing to learn is paying attention only to thoughts and organize them properly. If the teacher trains the student in the classroom keeping in mind the following three ideas, they will learn to write with understand. Taking part in a warm-up writing exercise, engage students in active listening, making students to write about their reflections. Conclusion. In this unit, various problems related to language learning have been discussed. The problem of bilingual and multilingual speakers in learning the second language, challenges in teaching language in multicultural classroom, nature of reading and comprehension in the content areas, writing with a sense of purpose and writing to learn and understand were explained in detail. Thank you everyone for watching this video.